Well, welcome to lunch hour. It's Candice Lee here from Candice Lee Fired Up. I'm at my stove and I'm about to make delicious Aztec soup. This is all the seasoning in here, and literally I'm just gonna add in some canned actually ingredients. Everything can come right out of your pantry. And there you go. And then you can just add on whatever fresh ingredients you might have or not, if you got crackers or whatever it is you can do. So, and love the package because it actually tells you exactly what to do right here. Follow along, adjust it, do what you need, ingredients, all that is on it. So basically it says boil about 5 cups of water, and you can use just water, or you can actually season it up with a broth seasoning if you like to give a little more flavor, vegetable, chicken, miso, something. So I'm actually going to do it with our chicken, and you could just go ahead and basically just flavor it up a little bit more, and that's that. Then once your water boils, you're going to add in a can of crushed tomatoes. Mine is a big can, so I'm not actually going to add the full can because it actually just is about 14 ounces. So I'm just going to use our prep bowls here to measure out what I need and get that in there. I'm using our multi-purpose stainless steel pot, which is awesome because it also has measurements on the side. So to add the water in, I literally can just pour it in, see where the measurement is, and away I go. And then next is a can of black beans. So I've rinsed these, of course, and then I'm going to add that. Okay, and pretty much that, and along with the seasoning, is all I need to put into here. After all this is simmered for about 5 to 10 minutes, I can go ahead and add whatever fresh ingredients I want, like avocado or cheese or cashew cheese. You can put on your tortilla chips or some crackers, or maybe if you got wraps or pita bread or something, you can roast those up and make those into chips, and then you can add that on. You could have add rice here if you wanted, maybe oh wait, you know what, did I forget? Yeah, you're supposed to actually put frozen vegetables in here too. I forgot. So there's actually one more ingredient, frozen veggie. So if you got some corn or peas or beans or something like that, go ahead and add that. I have some I don't have corn, but I do have beans and peas. So I will add, basically it says a quarter cup of fresh vegetables. Oh, sorry, half a cup. I can read. Really, I can. Anyway, half a cup of fresh veggies, and I'll add that in. And anyways, it simmers for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you have lunch, and it's perfectly good. Delicious. This will serve 4, and then since there's 2 of us, it's perfect for either lunch tomorrow or supper tonight or supper tomorrow, and it'll go good for a couple of days in the fridge. So there you go. You got any questions about our Aztec soup or our chicken broth or anything I've got here going, or how to adapt some things that you might have in the pantry, just send me a message and I'll help you out with some new recipes. Take care.